Thanks for checking out the video. In this one, I'm going to go over some new additions to my gun collection, or more specifically to my Auto Mag collection. I'm also going to do another video giving some personal recommendations if you're looking to purchase or have recently acquired one and are a little unfamiliar with it. I'll also briefly touch on the history and development of the Auto Mag in that one. If you like the content, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the bell to get notified of other videos. If you don't like the video, leave a comment below letting us know why, and feel free to give us your opinions on what we can improve on. So here we go. A few weeks ago, I was fortunate enough to have the opportunity to acquire this set, which includes the 2 pistols, 3 extra barrels, 5 magazines, box of ammunition, a holster, and the briefcase. The briefcase is manufactured by Presto. It's an all-metal case that has been fully wrapped in a heavy canvas with Velcro at the seams. I'm assuming to help protect it and maybe keep it more secured in travel. I have no idea how the original owner had their pistol or accessories stored in this case, just that it has a label that says 2 Auto Mags 357 on it right there. The auction house basically threw it in the lot since I purchased the rest of this stuff. So I'll let you know that I went through and took apart these pistols. I removed the carbon fouling, powder residue, and some old dried grease from the action. I cleaned, re-greased the bolt and some internal parts, oiled the barrels, and replaced the recoil springs. So for those that have a hard-on for safety checks, I've verified that these pistols are in fact empty. So the first one is an original Auto Mag Corporation's Auto Mag 180, chambered in 44 AMP, or Auto Mag pistol, and it was made in Pasadena, California. I'm not sure who made the grips on this one, but they're pretty interesting. They almost look layered depending on the angle that you hold them. I didn't want to take them off yet. I'm not sure I ever will, unless just to check and make sure that there's no corrosion or rust or anything forming underneath the panels. But they seem to be pretty unique, and I've never seen another set like them, and I've seen quite a few Auto Mags. Through a fellow Auto Mag collector, I found out that this one has a born-on date, or more specifically a ship date, of November 16th, 1971. So it just had its 50th birthday last month. So a big thanks to Jeff Kelly for that information. Next one is a TDE Automag 180, 44 and 6.5 inch barrel, manufactured in North Hollywood, California. As close as we can tell by checking the serial numbers, it was most likely manufactured in late 1972. And the previous owner, or one of the previous owners, sent it out to have it polished. I have no idea who actually did the work, but they seem to do a pretty good job on it. I wish I had some better lighting in here. I might have to get some or take it outside so that you can actually see how much this thing shines. Next are the magazines. These are original 7-round 44 AMP magazines that were supplied with the pistols, and they are also used for any of the Wildcats that use the 44 AMP casing, like the 357 or 41. I'll get into more details about the Wildcats in the other video, so if you're interested, check that out. Next we have a 10.5 inch barrel. This one's a 44 AMP. Manufacturer and model designation on this one is AMC 280, manufactured in Covina, California. Next one is also a 10.5 inch, but this one is chambered in 357 AMP, which is just a 44 AMP neck down to 357, if you're not familiar with it. The barrel on this one is marked as being made by TDE, model 160, and made in El Monte, California. Features a Bueller scope mount and rings, and a Leopold M8 2-power extended eye relief scope. The last barrel is almost identical to the one on the second pistol. This one is also marked TDE, made in North Hollywood. I don't see any markings on the mount or rings, but the rings look to possibly be Bueller as well. Also managed to acquire an original Safariland shoulder holster. It's the model 101 for the Auto Mag, and this one's in really nice shape. The leather doesn't have any gouges or tears in it. The elastic is still stretchy, and all the stitching is still intact. I was really happy to add this one to the collection. And then we have some ammunition manufactured by Corbon. 240 grain slugs rated at 1,450 feet per second with 1,120 foot-pounds of energy. And this is supposed to be pretty much on par with a chronograph. It's interesting to note that Corbon shows the ammunition as being 44 Auto Mag, with the caliber being one word, but the actual caliber designation on these pistols is Auto Mag being 2 words. I did double check, and as of October of 2021, Corbon appears to have discontinued the 44 AMP cartridge, as they do not list the caliber on their website. And honestly, I don't remember the last time I saw Corbon Auto Mag ammunition being available anywhere local. I think it was primarily available online retailers like Midway and Graphs that you could order it from. That's about it. So that pretty much covers my purchase. If you want to check out my recommendations concerning owning and shooting, as well as other information pertaining to Automags, go to my page and check out the other video. If not, at least thanks for watching this one. A big thanks to Jeff Kelly for helping me track down some info on these Automags. Check out his channel for some really detailed info on the pistols, and Harry Sanford, who is the inventor. I'll try to post a link to his channel below, but if that doesn't work, you can always Google Jeff Kelly Automags and you should be able to find his videos that way. Remember, your Second Amendment rights are always under attack. Every gun law is 100% unconstitutional. So don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And thanks again for watching.